Well, this is the Pentium D Dell E520, aka DM061. It's running an older BIOS, so the latest, as Google search away says, is 2.4. And so let's first do that. It won't even actually auto-elevate. Okay. That tells you how old it is. This is probably designed for Vista 32-bit. Right. Sure. Please don't kill my computer. Alright. Upgrading the BIOS does not work in Windows 10 64-bit. Well, with version 2.12 of the BIOS, I'm going to try to upgrade the CPU anyway. See what happens. So, these two screws. In fact, it's pretty tight. I'm surprised this design uses just two screws and then a swivel on the back, and that's enough. So it's just that simple. I don't have to undo the SATA connectors. Okay. It's just, that's all it is. And the spring mechanism, what spring mechanism? It just screws down and that's enough pressure. It's, I mean, there's no spring. Amazing, isn't it? All right. And this, so let's get a closer look at how this, if you take this completely off, how does this, because in the other video he just kind of does it, but how does it, so it kind of focus, swivel, like that. Okay. Alright. So, like that. Like that. Because I need to in order to take out the CPU. And yeah, so the star is pointing towards the north bridge. Alright, get the new CPU out. New, haha. I guess this looks professionally wrapped. Q6600, new in box. Pretty crazy. Wow, okay. I don't do this often. Alright, thermal paste, now reattach and boot it up. I'm not a neat guy. I mean, I'm a neat guy, but not tidy in this manner. More on the back side. Alright, now to clean off this. So as I swiveled it down and and pushed on, and I do feel it is stuck to the thermal compound. So you can tell there's some contact. Let's tighten it down and boot it up, see if it works with the old 212 BIOS. Yep, there is a spring mechanism inside. You can hear it. Moment of truth. Two and two. Sigh. Well, it posted. Okay, I was premature in ending the video. It's actually nice about it. Despite it not being supported, it will post. And there it goes. I was excited the first time it happened. Core 2 quad. Yay! Core 2 quad 6600 2.4 stock speed. And the CPU fan is not racing, so temperatures are a-okay at 100% load. And so perhaps now it will complete a work unit in under 5 hours. See you later, old CPU. So it goes in like that. This case is tricky, a little tricky. Is that it? I think that's it. Yep. And interestingly, the power consumption is slightly higher with the Q6600 quad core from the Pentium D 915 2.8 gigahertz. Just slightly higher. I believe it was around 113 watts for a full load world community grid from the Pentium D 113 to 120. Actually, the around 7 watts of additional power consumption makes sense because the D915 is 95 watts TDP and this is 105 watts, but much better performance. Okay, I ran a SETI at Home Classic client version Team Lambchop work unit, and my remote desktop is slow, but there it's done. It took 58 minutes of CPU time, one core CPU time, versus the Pentium D took 90 minutes. So it's basically half again faster and twice the cores. Doesn't that mean it's 3 times the performance? With power consumption being 5% more. Win.